What if I told you that there's a fruit you can grow even in dry areas of Kenya? A fruit that needs little water, minimal land, and keeps producing for over 20 years? That fruit is dragon fruit. And today, I want to share why this might be one of the smartest farming investments in Kenya right now. By the way, if you're new to this channel, take a second to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with someone who loves smart farming ideas. Also, turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the farm. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a cactus. That means it thrives well in dry conditions, doesn't need heavy irrigation, and is generally low maintenance. From one plant, you can harvest up to 30 fruits every year, and with prices ranging from 100 to 500 shillings per fruit, the potential adds up very quickly. It's not just a seasonal crop. You harvest several times a year, giving you consistent cash flow, not just one-time income. The best part, the plant can keep producing for over 2 decades with proper care. That's long-term passive income right from your land. Here in Kenya, the demand is growing very fast. People want healthier fruits, supermarkets want unique tropical options, hotel, juice parlors, and even exporters are asking for dragon fruit. But we simply don't grow enough. And that's where the opportunity lies. If you are a smart investor or a farmer looking to diversify, now is the time to step in while the market is still wide open. You don't need 1,000 plants to begin. You can start with just 100 or 200. What matters most is learning how to grow them right, understanding the structure, the soil setup, and how to support the plant for best results. At Kimani's Farm, I've worked with people who started with zero farming experience. Today they are harvesting, selling, and even expanding their plantations. With the right guidance and patience, you will see results. This crop isn't a quick fix, but is a smart, sustainable investment. It grows with time, and as your number of plants increases, so does your income. And since dragon fruit can be grown organically, you can tap into premium markets locally and even abroad. Imagine turning idle land into a long-term income stream. That's the kind of investment agriculture was meant to be. Here at Kimani's Farm, we don't just talk about it, we work with you. From high quality seedlings to support poles, from one-side training to planting support, we provide everything you need to get started. Our goal is simple: help farmers like you build reliable, profitable dragon fruit farms, whether you're just starting or just even scaling up. And if this video is giving you value, please hit that like button. It really helps. Subscribe to the channel for more insights. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Dragon fruit farming is not just about profit. It's about building something lasting. If you've been wondering where to start, maybe this is your sign. And if you are ready to take the next step, reach out. You can connect with me directly on WhatsApp at 0714 078929 or follow my journey here on YouTube and Facebook at Kimani's Farm. Let's farm smart, let's build something real. I'm Kimani and this is Kimani's Farm. Thanks for watching.